Hello, and welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast that helps you navigate the wonderful world of miles and points to unlock incredible travel experiences. I'm Jack, your host, and I'm here to share the latest news, tips, and insights that will help you make the most of your points and miles. Today, we've got some fantastic news for anyone planning to redeem their Avios on Qatar Airways. And trust me, this is going to make your long haul flights a whole lot more enjoyable. Qatar Airways has just reached a major milestone in their connectivity game, and it's going to change how you experience flying with them. So let's dive right in. Qatar Airways has announced the completion of Starlink installations across their entire Boeing 777 fleet. Now, this isn't just any ordinary Wi-Fi upgrade we're talking about here. We're looking at speeds of up to 500 megabits per second. To put that in perspective, that's faster than many home broadband connections in the UK. You'll be able to stream, video call, work, or browse the internet at lightning speed while cruising at 35,000 feet. The airline isn't stopping there though. They're now turning their attention to their Airbus A350 fleet. For UK travellers, this is particularly exciting news because these aircraft frequently serve routes from London Heathrow and other major UK airports to Doha, and then onwards to destinations across Asia and Australia. So why does this matter for UK travellers? Well, first off, you're getting free high-speed Wi-Fi on all Qatar Airways 777s. This is perfect for those Avios redemptions on long-haul routes to Asia and Australia that we all love. There are no data caps or time limits, and it's significantly better than traditional airline Wi-Fi systems that we've all struggled with in the past. Plus, with the A350 fleet upgrades coming soon, even more routes will benefit from this fantastic connectivity. If you're planning any trips using your Avios or other miles and points, Qatar Airways is definitely worth considering, especially with this new connectivity advantage. The combination of their excellent service, extensive route network, and now lightning-fast Wi-Fi makes them a compelling choice for your next award redemption. That's all for today's episode of Smart with Points. Thanks for listening, and if you found this update useful, please subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk to stay up to date with the latest miles and points news. Looking for the best award flights? Use awardtravelfinder.com to search availability across Qatar Airways, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, and more. Try it for free with our link in the show notes.